There's a storm a-brewing. It's a bad storm. Can you feel it? Can you feel the ice and the cold and the wind? I'm not sure exactly what this storm is, but it just seems like I insist on standing in resistance to the storm. I'm the one that insists that we can fix the storm with positivity. Maybe I need to accept the storm as a fact instead of fighting it. I'm finding the storm painful, tiresome. It's frustrating. It's wearing me out. I'm in constant resistance to whatever this change is. Maybe that's why, ever since Thursday, I've been having issues. And maybe this change is just something deep down inside of me. And, it's kind of weird that I'm resisting it, considering I'm the one creating it. I'm the one wanting whatever change this is. I'm the one who's reading books. I'm the one who is doing different things to create. I guess that's part of the problem. Create, I don't know. And that's okay. It's okay not to know. I guess it's okay that there's a storm. The problem is, I'm fighting it. I'm the one resisting what I am creating. Silly. There's a storm out there. It's icy. It's cold. It's windy. It's going to cause a big change. And I love that. I'm ready for it. I need to stop resisting it. It'll stop the pain of resistance. Have a great day.